Hi everyone, today I want to show you how you can use the if function in Microsoft Excel. The if function is one of the most popular and important logical functions in Excel. The if function is used to test for condition and return one value if the condition is true and another value if the condition is false. Basically, you can do logical comparisons. If something is true, do this; if something is false, do that. Before we do an example, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the next update. Alright, let's jump on the topic. Here I am on my PC and I have a nice simple table set up. We're just going to implement the if condition here. Here, we have a table of data that consists of students' name and their marks. In column A we have students' names and in column B their marks. Now in column C we will implement if function for their result to see if they pass or fail. Let's think for these students. The pass mark is 40. So, if anyone gets higher or equal to 40 marks they are pass, if not, then fail. To get started, let's begin by entering the equals if command. As you can see, the if function takes three parameters. The first parameter is the condition or value to test. In our example, we want to test to see if the value in cell B2 is less or equal to 40. So we will enter B2, then, greater than sign, then, equals to sign, and 40. Then the second parameter, we will need to enter the value to return if the condition is true. We will write the second parameter value as pass. Now, for the third parameter, it contains the value that will be returned if the condition evaluates to false. It means if someone gets less than 40 marks. For the third parameter, we will set the value as fail. Now I'm going to click on OK, and you'll see the result here. This student Alan gets 45 marks, which is higher than 40, so the result comes here pass. Now that I've typed in my formula well, I can go through and I could type in the formula for each and every single one. But I would love to make my life a little easier, so what I can do is there's this little box in the bottom right hand corner. I'm just going to double click on that and that'll drop the same formula down to all of my rows. You'll see what happens here if I click on the formula. It's doing the calculation with these two. If I click on this next row, you'll see that it's doing the calculation on these two and is similar to the rest of. Well, there you have it. That's how you use the basic if function in Microsoft Excel. You could do a lot with it. That's why it's one of the most popular functions in Excel. If you learned something useful in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Lastly, if there are any other topics you want to know, leave a comment down below. I'll take a look and add it to my list of videos in the future. Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.